Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, then welcome to the channel. Excuse me, I've got a bit of a cold. So, in today's video, I'm going to take you into the shower with me. Don't get excited, it's not going to be that kind of video, but I'm going to talk to you about water pressure and this thing I've bought, which may help, may not, we'll find out together, shall we? And it is one of these Pure Shower Plus ionic shower head. Mineral beads, filtration, increases water pressure, 3 spray modes, reduces water usage as well, which is handy. I don't think it's that big in comparison to a person. I hope not, anyway. Right, let's do a quick unboxing. Everybody loves a unboxing. Easy to install, apparently. It says 3 spray settings, easy to install, increases water pressure, and it's got these mineral balls in it, which is supposed to be good for your skin, etc. Hang on, let me get a knife. You call that a knife? Right, let's open this up. Come on. Come. It's a trick box. It's a trick box. Trick. Why do they do this? What? I don't want to rip the box. You need instructions on how to open the box, man. What the frick is going on? Does that come out of it? Ah. Oh, there we go. We're in the box. Oh, excuse my nose. Alright. Here it is. Ooh. Oh, look at that. And it's got balls in it. And it rattles. Alright, so you got a switch on here. Which I suppose, oh, yeah. Very sturdy. And that, does that turn? That comes off. That comes off. That comes off. That's good for cleaning, I suppose. Oh. Except I can't get it back on now, can I? There we go, back on. Alright. Nothing else in there. There is some instructions. I don't think this is all that, complicated really. I don't know how you get the balls in there. I suppose this one does maybe. Because you can change them. Well, that unscrews here. Hang on, I'm not going to get balls everywhere. I think that's supposed to come off. Yeah, that's supposed to come off. I don't know how you get the balls in and out. I suppose there's an unscrewing. It's not a toy, apparently. Oh, yeah, unscrews. Unscrews. So I didn't want to force it. Well, I'm not going to do that because the balls are going to go everywhere, but you can replace the balls. Okay. Let's go in the shower. Okay, we're in my shower. How you doing? This is the shower head we have at the moment. I'll show you the pressure. Right, that's... Oop, come on. Right, that's what we got at the moment. Let's not waste water. Right, let's replace the thingamajang, so we just unscrew this, I suppose. Let me put that on there. Oh, there we go. Unscrew that, don't lose the washer. There'll be one in there. There we go. Get the new one, which is quite a bit bigger. Fits straight on there, of course. Alrighty. Have it on the bottom one. We're going to stick that back in there and I'm going to do the same thing that I just did. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's one setting. Let's change it to another. Oh, we got that setting. Nice. And then there should be a middle setting. There's another one. And then that setting. That. Alright, I'm going to get a shower. Stop wasting water. That was pretty tricky to film. I'm not sure about the pressure. It doesn't look like it's any different, but I'll let you know when I have a shower because that's going to be the better test for it. It does seem like it has more of a spread of water though. It's supposed to save water as well, so that would be interesting. So I'm going to cut this, dye this, and get in there, and I'll let you know. Well, I don't think the water pressure is any better, really, but I think it's got more of a spread on it, on that setting anyway. But I'll try one of the other settings in a minute. Let's just wash my hair and that. See, that one is just really nice though. The water feels, it does feel soft. Let's say. setting. And the little Jetstream one's quite good. It takes the water out of when it's like that. Bet you thought you'd never be taking a shower with me, did you? So, what do we think of the Pure Shower Plus by JML? Did it increase the pressure? Don't think so, not really. All I can say is on the, what setting is it? The rainfall setting, it seemed to have just more water, so like more circumference of water. Is that the right word? It just seemed to cover you more than my other shower head, so that's a good thing. The water itself feels like there's something in it. It does feel like it's got minerals in it. So, my skin doesn't feel dry. It's weird. It does feel nice, the water, I've got to say. The other setting, which is the middle one, which is, God, I can't read. Do you know what? When they print these things, they print them so small. I wear glasses as well, and I still couldn't even read it. Which is wellness, which is kind of like the massage setting and the rainfall at the same time. That was a bit pants. I don't think there was enough pressure for it to do that effectively. Obviously, I'm in a motorhome. My pump is, I don't know what the PSI on it, probably 20. You can get bigger ones these days. If I want to upgrade my water pressure, I should just get a new pump, really. Doing things like this that never works. I wanted to try it out. And the massage setting, which was like the middle jet, that worked okay. The temperature seemed to go up when I used that one. The box, very nice box. She's either a really small person or that's a really big version of it. A slight upgrade. Did it increase the water pressure? Nah, not really. So that's my verdict on that. 15 quid in Asda. You can get them cheaper on Amazon and stuff like that if you can be bothered. Is it worth it? Meh. Don't know. I think Mrs H will be the one to say more because she has to rinse her hair. I don't have any hair really, so maybe I'll update you in another video. But for this video, meh. That's that. So, hope that was a helpful little video for you. If you was thinking about getting one of these, I'll keep it. I won't send it back. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and all that good stuff. God bless you. Stay clean. Till the next video. I still can't figure this Bullerman box out.